Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. Spoken English 25 टंग ट्विस्टर्स प्रैक्टिस सेशन अंग्रेज़ी बोलचाल के टंग ट्विस्टर्स है। ये आपको काम में आएंगे प्रैक्टिस सेशन में आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन करेक्ट करने में। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। पीटर पाइपर पिक्ड अ पैक ऑफ पिकल्ड पेपर्स। पीटर पाइपर पिक्ड अ पेपर Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Second, Irish wristwatch, Swiss wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Betty Botter bought some butter. Betty Botter bought some butter. But she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. Betty Botter bought a bit of butter. The butter Betty Botter bought was a bit bitter and made her batter bitter, but a bit of better butter makes better batter. So Betty Botter bought a bit of better butter, making Betty Botter's bitter batter better. Six hicks nick six slicks bricks with picks and sticks. Sick hicks nick six slick bricks with picks and sticks. The sixth sick shakes. Sixth sheep's sick. The sixth sitting sheet. Slitter slit sit sheets. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I am sure. For if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I am sure she sells seashore shells. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck woodchuck? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck, he would, as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Old Mother Hunt had a rough cut punt. Old Mother Hunt had a rough cut punt, not a punt cut rough, but a rough cut punt. Pad kid poured curd pulled cold. Pad kid poured curd pulled cold. Best of luck. Goodbye for now.